How to modify Make My Trip booking. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to modify Make My Trip booking. In order to modify a Make My Trip booking, you want to log into your Make My Trip first thing first. After you're logged into your account, at the bottom right left, you could see My Trips, right? This is where you will be able to find your booking. You just want to select the specific booking for which you want to modify or change. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select update or modify. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for these options to change all the information that needs to be done. And that's how you're supposed to make or modify Make My Trip booking. In some cases, if you cannot find the modify button, then it means that this particular feature isn't available for this case. So you might have to contact the host or the customer care so that they will be able to help you out. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.